In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rig headset to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to connect any Rig headset model that you have to an Xbox One console and how to use it for input or output. So first, as long as you have a licensed Rig headset, it is going to work flawlessly with any Xbox console, either an Xbox One or the newer gen Xbox Series X or S. You can check the box for the licensed for Xbox symbol, but regardless, all that you have to do is usually connect a specific dongle to your Xbox. So first, power on the headset. So press the power button for a few seconds, and once the headset has been turned on, you will be able to connect the dongle into the console. So usually this is going to be done by using a USB-C to USB-A adapter that they include in the box. And all that you have to do is plug the dongle into the USB-C adapter and then plug the other end, the USB-A, into one of the available USB-A ports on your Xbox One console. So as long as you have the dongle connected directly to your console, when you power on the headset, if it has enough battery, it is going to get detected by the console and now it is going to be ready to be used. If you want to set it up, go over to the settings on your console, access the audio settings, and you will be able to change the output and input devices in there. Make sure that you choose headset and you will be good to go. You don't have to spend any more time setting this up. When you go inside of a game or you watch a video, you go inside of a voice chat, you will be able to use the microphone included in the Rig headset if it has one, and of course you will be able to hear all audio from your Xbox on the headset. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rig headset to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.